Here we go. All right. Hello, hello. Current viewers of 5, it says. Welcome. You guys are early. Down here on the little analytics page, this one, I guess this number does not update us. At the most recently available. Usually, because I've got Zoom going at the same time, I don't get much chance to pay attention to the actual YouTube stream page, and all the information it's trying to give me. Chat. And, oh, we have a data point. That took a minute and a half for it to into this. There's a bit of, not only is there a delay on the stream, there's a delay on the analytics that I found out. 9 of you here by now. Who's here? Sound off in the chat. Say hello. Please check the video resolution. It never likes my video resolution. Hi, hello. Mark is here. Liana is here. Hello, hello. Do I have your bridges? I have Mark's bridge. I don't have a Liana bridge. Is that a Liana bridge? Leslie's here. Esmeralda, hello. Vanessa's here. Hello. Hello, Yasmin. Hello, Yami. Hello, Janili. This is more fun. I don't know. There's definitely times, you know, lesson-wise, I want feedback. There in Zoom would be good, but maybe we should have just done this on here. We could have made this work. Hi, Brian. Hello, Angelina. All right, we'll give it another minute here till official class start time. 2:05. Hi, Mariah. I know the resolution is bad. It's not great. I would love to have actual HD resolution, but if I did that, then you would have almost no frame rate. Like, you'd see my hand move across the screen in 3 steps, and it would just be awful. So that's why we're doing that. Poor little laptop. I'm on just the MacBook Air for now, so that's much smoother. I tried higher resolution last period. It just does not work. Bitrate is restricted. Hello, Carla. Oh, I've got a Google chat message. Amy, you are leaving early. Okay. Do I have your bridge? I do have your bridge. I've got you 3rd on my list. You should get your info pretty soon, I hope. And it takes like a minute to test a bridge. So we should have you here wrapped up in 10 minutes. Will that work? let's say, I saw Mariah. Hi, Carla. Hi, Fabiana. Hello, Jonathan. All right, I think we should get started. All right, so I have everything set up. You can see here is my gap that you will span. The colored paper here is to keep the white tables from blinding the camera. I've got plenty of weights, a whole giant row. They're actually going off screen here. Way more weights than necessary. So we will hang them onto your bridge until it falls through to see how much it can hold. And the scale here, so we can get accurate reading of how much your bridge itself weighs. So then we can find its strength. From here, we'll find its weight, and then you can divide to determine its strength to weight ratio. That is your ultimate objective for today. Hi CC, hello Alan. CC, who's CC? I don't know who's CC. All right, so without further ado, let's get started. I'm going to turn my face off of the corner here, because I got to go around to the other side of the table. And this, so I can try to still see the chat from over here. And first up, totally random order, it's just how they got arranged on the table. First up, I have Alan's bridge. Alan's bridge is right here. It is a massive, chunky bridge. He had the big marshmallows, and he did ask permission. I said, hey, that's okay. Let's try it. Because I kind of want to know if those are going to be any better. Oh my gosh, massive. Alan, I think you win heaviest bridge. Oh, there is somebody else who had the big marshmallow, so maybe. But so far, 235.3 grams. Okay? 235.3 grams. I think you can read the numbers. I don't know if you can see the decimal. So there's that last digit is after the decimal. Now, the hope is that it can hold at least that much additional weight. And Alan, you are rooting for the big marshmallows. Do they actually add strength, or do they just add... Wait, this is taped on pretty good? We'll leave that. I think you left me a slot. I can add my mass hanger on here, right? Yeah, slips right in there. Nice and cozy. That's secure. Okay, now that stick plus wire itself weighs 57.8 grams. That's why I have this number right here as a reminder for you on screen. I will be adding some masses to that. So we'll stack up how many it holds, but always remember you also have to add them to this. So we'll start with just an empty hanger all by itself weighs 50 grams. Now hold that much more. So that's a total of a little over 100. And it seems to be doing just fine. It's got a little bit more bend than it used to, but it's not moving anymore. Okay, how about, I then have these discs by themselves are 20 grams each. I then have a stack of 5 on top of a hanger here, so this is 150 grams. Not bad. Not bad. Okay. All right, how about this guy? 250 grams. Definitely bending more than it was. Very noticeable. But it stopped. It's stable. Okay, how about let's add another 150 on top of that. Very bendy. It's still going. Okay, I'm going to replace the 150 with a 250. So that's 500 total. It's coming down. Oh, and it tore right through. I thought these hung on to the edge so hard that it actually ripped this toothpick out of that marshmallow and I guess did the same thing to the other side. So the bridge is still there, actually, oddly enough. I'm going to have to call that as the brake failure point there, but the bridge was still up here. If you were running across the top side, maybe you could make it. All right, nicely done. So let me pick these back up. We've got 250 plus 250 plus 57.8. That is your bridge's strength. And we weighed it earlier to get the bridge weight. Divide strength by weight to get your ratio. All right. Good show, Alan. Good show. Next up, I have Mark's bridge. So Mark, here is your bridge. Let's see how much this guy weighs. Uh-oh. Oh, did I dislodge this toothpick? I think it's supposed to go diagonal like that one over there. Okay, much lighter weight, 43.8 grams. 43.8. And, oh, hello, Regina. I see you there now. Let's see what this guy can hold. I'm going to slip this in right by that toothpick. I had to put back in place. It's already bending here. I think this one came loose out of that marshmallow and we lost some of that diagonal bracing. All right, let's try an extra 50. Ooh, it's really pulling it. This is really interesting how it's bending. It's bending down this way, right? And this way. Three-dimensional twist. Okay. 50 isn't going to collapse it, though. How about 150? There we go. There it goes. Now it's tipping. Oh, wait. This is going to catch. Nope. Didn't hold on long enough. I was just about to reach for another one. Maybe it needs some more. Nope. Okay. That did it. All right. So, Mark, your bridge held 150 plus the 57.8. Not bad. And it weighed much less. Okay? So, guys, the goal is not who can hold the most weight. The real winner is who has the highest strength to weight ratio. You want to be strong but lightweight. All right, Jamie, you're up next. Here is Yami's bridge, made with a variety of colored marshmallows. We've got kind of a double-decker bus thing going here. I don't know that I could actually get my Batmobile in through there. It might be a tight squeeze, maybe vertically. And we all know the Batmobile, the real one, could totally, flip and spin sideways and drive that way. So I guess it counts. Okay, this one weighs 97.5 grams. 97.5. How much will it hold? Now here's the question, where can I get this through? I don't think that spot is big enough. I'm going to have to go up here. And a partner foot. Get back here. There we go. Top layer. Well, I was holding that just fine. How about 50 grams? 50 grams, no problem. It's not even budging. All right. How about the 150? I'm seeing a little bit of movement here. $250? Well, that's just my stick sliding. But it is holding the weight, although I definitely looking around this bottom row of white marshmallows, you can see it has bent. 250 plus 150. Can I get this to recenter? There we go. Is that going to do it? Really bending. These ends are coming up off the table there. It's going, but slowly. But it's going faster. Oh, now it's really bending on itself. Look at this. It's still holding on. It's barely holding on. Oh, maybe just a little bit of friction from the marshmallows at the last minute there. Okay. Oh, look at how that has bent itself in half. Very cool. Okay, so you held 250 plus 150 plus 57.8. And now I got to untangle this. There we go. Pretty good. Make sure you get that written down. The ratio is found by dividing strength by weight. That's exactly it. So for Yami's case, she would take the add up 250 plus 150 plus 57.8. That's the total strength. The amount held is the strength. And whatever it said on the scale from earlier. I don't remember these. 97.5. Okay. And then divide those. The strength to weight ratio is literally describing strength divided by weight. Okay, next we have Esmeralda. Esmeralda A. Here is her bridge. Now, this is a unique design. It is the widest of all bridges I have so far. We'll see how that helps. Or not. We'll find out. Back on the board. Here we go. Total weight of 36.4. Okay, Esmeralda, 36.4 grams is the bridge weight. Let's see what it can hold strength-wise. Put it there, centered across the gap. Seems to hold itself just fine. You know, I hadn't considered a maximum width. Will I be able to get this on here? I have to go like this. There we go, that's sitting there. It's already causing problems though. Just the 57.8. No, stop moving. No, I need to add another one. Oh. I can't add more mass if it doesn't stop. Okay, it's holding still. Another 50 is probably going to do it. Yep, there it goes. Hey, but it did a flip. All right. Okay, there we go. So we've got 50 plus 57.8, and the sunlight is strong. Great time to use the solar beam. There you go, Esme. Next up, Alondra. Here is Alondra's bridge. It's so cute. This is maybe not the shortest. I think I've had one that is shorter, but scale-wise, it is small. Can I get my car in there? The Batmobile is going to have to lose a few pounds to ride through here. It's close enough, though. 25.9 is your weight. 25.9 grams. And it holds itself just fine. Will it take the test? Steak. Ooh, yeah. It's doing okay. This paper is popping. Probably more than the rest of the bridge is. Okay, where's my empty hanger? This one, just the 50. Oh, it doesn't like that. But the ends are holding on. It's continuing to fold though. Don't think it's gonna make it. This guy's slipping. There it goes. Oh, the tip of the toothpick saved it. Oh no, I didn't get a chance. I was gonna try. I was gonna swap them out for the next level. It didn't make it. That was close. Oh my gosh. Suspense. Edge of your seat. Riveting television, isn't this? Okay. So, Alondra, yours held the 50 plus the 57.8. And the sunlight is getting to be a problem. I dropped the room lights. Maybe total. I just need more shadow effect here. All right. Let me know if anything is like if my head is not there, you can't read that paper at all. But as long as we can read the scale, I think we're okay. All right, there's Alondra's. Mariah's up next. I need to pick up the pace before the sunlight reaches the scale. So here is Mariah's bridge. Looking good. It weighs 44.5 grams. 44.5 grams. Let's see what it can hold. Wait. This toothpick isn't attached to anything. Still 0.5, okay. I don't know what, if anything, you were hoping that toothpick would do, or if it was even supposed to be there. Well, it holds the mass hanger. That's good. Can it hold an extra 50? Bending a little bit. Not bad though. 150. Oh no, no. It's really coming up here. It's almost folding in half. Look at that. There it goes. Okay. 150 plus the 57.8. Not bad at all. All right, next up, Vanessa. Vanessa G, here is her bridge. A solid construction. Left me a nice window in the center for getting my weights in. I appreciate that. I really hope it doesn't compromise your bridge too heavily though. 42.2. Bridge weight of 42.2. Let's see what it can do. Holds itself up just fine, which is good. I'm a little worried. The weather has been hot and humid, which means marshmallows stay soft and sticky instead of hardening up. So things have been a little floppier than I had kind of hoped by now. It's holding that just fine. Let's stick 50 more onto it. I'm trying to get my things centered here. They're stable. Is causing problems. Bending there, that toothpick has come dislodged. It's folding kind of flat and tearing apart. Oh, this is gonna do it. There it goes. There it goes. Oh, is it gonna hang on? No. Almost had hope there. Almost. Oh, look at that tangled mess, huh? All right, very cool. So yours held 50 plus the 57.8. There, get my head out of the way. Or in the way, actually, of the sun. And how did... it really bent there. This is a very common issue with these bridges here, is that this way you've got lots of vertical strength, you've got the cross-bracing diagonals, triangles galore, great strength in this direction, okay? And even this direction. But the problem is, looking at this cross-section, it's only a square, which means it is very easy to squish into a rhombus and then fold the whole thing flat, which is exactly what happened. Okay, next I have one from Elias. Elias is saying next. Let's read this one. I'm going to have to get a little piece of paper. Elias, are you there? Can you confirm that this is in fact your bridge? I kind of moved things out of the way. Well, I'm going to hope it is, and test it regardless. 37.3 grams. 37.3. Yes, it is. Okay, good. Thank you. Didn't get a tag with his name on it there. So let's see what it can hold. Right through the middle here. And my wire keeps getting bent out of shape every time it lands on the ground. There's the 50. Ooh, I already see it pulling apart right there. We've got, yep, tore right out of the marshmallows. That's okay. All right, so 50 plus the 57.8 is right here in the blinding set, 57.8. You need to read that every time? I've said it so often. No, you should have memorized that number, 57.8, plus the 50. All right, that's his total. Pretty good. Did I mention this period? Like, the goal is basically hold as much as you weigh. Leslie Lopez, yours is up next. Here is Leslie's bridge. Got a double-decker going. It weighs a grand total of 33.1 grams. I'm not succeeding in beating the sunlight. 33.1. Let's see what it will hold. And on there. It is holding the mass hanger very nicely, which means it's already holding more than it itself weighs. That's a success. All right, can it hold more? Here's 50 more. Ooh. Ooh. I don't think it even budged. 150. Oh, it's budging. Look at the twist forming up here. We go. We'll do another 150. 300. Ooh, no, it did not like that. I should have just give it the 50. Okay. Well, there you have it. That was definitely the limit. Probably overshot, but that's okay. All right, so 150 plus 150 plus 57.8. And there is the problem. Toothpick coming out of marshmallow. Otherwise, pretty good condition still. Next up, I have Janui. Here is Janili's bridge, very colorful. You got the colored toothpicks and colored marshmallows, and went with a double width here. Let's see what this weighs. 61.9 grams. Gotta get that in shadow so you can confirm it. 61.9 grams. Should just leave some of these weights over here to hold this paper down. These things will stop moving so much. All right, and let's see, can I get this right across? I already see some toothpicks have come apart from where I suspect they were supposed to be. But it's holding that quite well, so that's good. How about an extra 50? Bending a little bit. Not quick enough for my taste. Let's go one more. 150. Ooh, that might do it. That might do it. There it goes. Oh, it's really collapsing in on itself. Look at how this is folding here, and this one's turning that way to accommodate, and just... You see it? You need to block some of the light. There it goes. All right. 150 plus 57.8. See if I can get dislodged here. All right. There you have it, well done. Next we have Eileen's bridge here. This is, brace yourself, Eileen. I'm sorry. It got a little melty here. All right, I think it's supposed to have been up like this, but clearly it did not survive the sit. All right, you're going for this double-decker arc design. It weighs, if it will stay on the platform, 122.4 grams. 122.4 grams. I'm afraid the weather has not been kind. Very sticky, but you know, maybe I'll give it a little smush there. Maybe we can like anchor it onto the paper, and it can hold on for dear life, because this is not holding its structure, that's for sure. And it's supposed to be up like this, and it's sagging under. Oh wait, those marshmallows are not holding. So unreliable, those marshmallows. All right. Trying to give you the best benefit of the doubt I can here. But I think that alone is going to pull it off the table. There it goes. Big marshmallows are holding on, and they've lost it. All right, so your total weight held is just the 57.8. Such promise. Cut down by hot sun and a humid day. All right, next I have Carla. Carla's bridge is next. Here is Carla's bridge. Got a little bit of color going. I like it. Let's see what it weighs. 34.0. 34.0 grams. I don't know if I can adjust the video here. while streaming. My head. Compensate for the ginormous amount of sunlight. Drop the brightness a little bit. You guys still see that okay? That's better. Now my shadow is actually same shadow. Okay, but 34.0 is our mass. Let's see what it can hold. Holds itself okay. Add my hanger here. Ooh. Well, that was quick. What happened there? Give me the instant replay on that one. Oh, I see the problem. These toothpicks pulled out of their respective marshmallows. All right. All it takes is one weak joint. I'm sorry, maybe my head shadow now is getting, but these toothpicks popped right out. Collapsed. So all it held was the 57.8. Okay, Fabiana. Here is Fabiana's bridge. Looking, oh, I already see, hold on. I'm coming apart, so I'm gonna set that there. These clearly should be, hey, stay in the marshmallow, guys. 52.1 grams. And it holds across the gap there, although I don't think, I can't get through there. I'm gonna go on top. Which can always be a little bit iffy. Yep, that was enough. Okay, 57.8. That's all it got. I think we had the same problem. We had a couple toothpicks come apart right at the marshmallow there. All right, and one more. We have Brian's bridge. Brian J has another large, or I guess full-size marshmallow-based bridge. So very high mass, 165.4 grams. 165.4. Different design. What is it going to hold? It holds itself up all right. Let's see, can I slip this through the middle? Yeah, we can. Marshmallows will accommodate us. Okay, it's holding that, so it's holding the 57 at least. Can it take another 50? Yeah. All right, how about 150? Ooh, it doesn't like that one. Nope, there it goes. And done. All right, so 150 plus the 57.8. I do believe that's still more than its own weight. So good job there. All right, I believe that is all the main bridges. I do have one bonus here. This is Yasmin G's bridge from 7th period that I had off to the side. She brought it in last minute. I totally forgot to do it. last time, so I'm gotta get it here so it's recorded. I can send her to this class video so she can see her bridge. All right, so Yasmin, future Yasmin, your bridge weighed 81.8 grams. I don't know what comes in better, shadow or light. 81.8. And she's got kind of a combination, small and large, cut in half. I hope she didn't take a bite out of that. See what it's going to hold. It is already lifting off from the 57.8 mass hanger. Oh no! It's bending in half a lot. And it's stabilized just like that. Just hold still. Add another 50. Yep, that'll do it. Okay, well, at least we got that much on. 50 plus the 57.8. There you go, future Yasmin. Sorry I missed your bridge last class. All right, that is all of my named bridges. If you are still here and you didn't see yours, I did have 3 unclaimed bridges here. So this is unknown bridge number 1. Let me know in chat if you guys recognize this. Hey, that's my bridge. Let me know. Shout out. Unknown bridge number 1. Unnamed bridge number 2. Takers, okay. Unnamed bridge number 3. Anyone recognizes any of these 3 bridges, speak now, or you get no results. When will we know the winner? Well, again, the true winner is the strength to weight ratio, so I won't know until after you guys do the calculation and send in your actual ratios. But then, yes, I will sift through them and announce some winners there. No recognize on the unnamed bridge? Right then, looks like we are at that time. It is 2:45. So I cannot ask you to stay any longer officially, but I kind of want to know, don't you? Out of morbid curiosity, those bridges haven't been tested. I think they need tested. So our time is officially up. You do not have to stay. Thank you, everyone. So long, farewell. Make sure you get your calculations in. Okay? Strength, weight, divide, strength to weight ratio. So those 3 numbers attached to Google Classroom tonight or before tonight, and then also add them to the full document to be turned in by Monday. If you're still here, sticking around because you want to see these other unclaimed bridges, let's just see how they do. Just for funsies. Let me get my view back up. The sunlight is very strong. Unknown bridge number 1, 28.1 grams. For weight, what do we think it will hold? Go right through the middle. It's not even holding that. Oh no. Oh geez. Oh, that's sad. Kerplop, just the 57. That's fun. All right, that one was a little soft. Let's try Unknown bridge number 2. Regina, you're asking, did I get yours? I do not have a bridge with your name on it. If yours is one of these unknowns, I'm testing them now, unless I went up before 7th period to the front to grab anything that was there. So if it came by after that, I haven't gotten it yet. Well, let's see how this one does. Around 120. All right, I'll make a run. Let me finish this guy. Let's see how this bridge does, and I'll go to the office and check. We'll keep I'll leave the stream running. You guys will have to entertain yourselves for a few moments. I go look. Will this hold that? It does. It's slowly coming down, though. I'm impatient. I'm adding more. The 50. It's still holding. No, it's folding. Once you get like a 90-degree bend in your bridge, you know you're done for. All right, there it goes. Unknown bridge number 2 held 50 plus 57.8. All right, and we have a demand for some unseen bridges that are not the unnamed ones. I'm going to have a name on the outside folded into him. All right, I'll take another look. Jonathan, was your name written on a blue piece of paper? Because I seem to remember specifically, now that you mention it, like, yeah, it was your name on the blue piece of paper. And I have no idea where that went. Missing something? I'm shuffling everything around. Did I lose the bridge? All right, I'm going to go check the front office to see if Regina's is there. Be back soon. All right, I'm back. Regina, I found your bridge. Ta-da! Okay, and oh no, bridge, stop it, stop it! It's already falling flat. Power of the sun. Have to work fast. 25.6 grams is the weight. 25.6. Write that down. And let's see. Stop falling flat on yourself. See, it won't even stand up. I carried it over just fine. And then as soon as I get here, is it the sunlight beating down? It's warming the marshmallows. Just enough. Okay. I think this might be the limit. It clearly holds itself, but clearly does not hold the max. So go with 57.8 is your strength limit. So sorry. I can't. This is so soft. It's like one of those morphing toys that you can fold and like I don't think I can even get in there. It has no sustained verticality. Ooh, there. I got it stable. Well, it won't hold that. At least it lasted a little bit longer. All right, there you go, Regina. It's the best I could do with it. Yeah. Jonathan, any confirmation on, was it a blue sheet of paper that I was, or am I imagining things? This one, I had this blue piece of paper that it came in with. And I set the blue paper underneath the tissue paper. I can read it through. Oh, I found it. Jonathan, is that your bridge? Are you in this period? You're in 8th period? I had you in 7th period. That's why. I tested this bridge in 7th period. So you can watch the previous video. I'll do it again now, but I don't know that it'll be as good. I might already have some issues, but here it is, since you're here now. 44.9 grams of mass. Which is better, shadow or light? And then right now, 44.9. And what will it hold? It will hold, it'll hold one of those. Sag quite a bit, but not really slip probably until I put one of these on, and then pull it right down. Yep. Oh no, it's holding right there on that corner. That I can switch. 150. There we go. All right, I have no idea how that compares to the previous test, but use whichever one turns out better. So either the 150 plus 57.8 or whatever it was, 7th period. I have you on the list for 7th period. All right, there we go. Anything else we can do? That's it. I've tested everything. All right. Thank you all for hanging around. So I got, 7 of you still here in chat, so Thank you very much. This was fun. I hope you enjoyed the project as much as I did. Get those calculations in. We'll see you next week, and we start our final review preparation, the exam. So long, farewell, enjoy your weekend.